Hi everyone, this is Lady Emmanuel coming to you about real word intercepts as well as slope, the meaning of it. So guys, just a reminder, with the x-intercept, the x-intercept is going to be a value there, okay? You're going to have your x value there. You're going to have an x value there. Here, you're going to have an x value. Here, this 0 for your y, it will always be 0 when it's the x-intercept. For the y will always be 0. When it's the y-intercept, the x would always be 0. Then you have your y value. Okay? But just know that here, x is always 0 for the y-intercept. For the x-intercept, 0 for the y value. Always. Okay? Remember, the slope is your rise over your rond, or your per x, if you will. Okay, your y per x, your y per x, y per x. Okay, for your slope. Okay, or you could just say your rise over your run. Okay, it's like a ratio or rate. It's just a rate. So with that being said, here my slope. Remember, it's your rise over your run. I'm doing more of the meaning, not the slope, because you should be able to figure out the slope. You better use this formula right here. Okay? Use this formula. Choose 2 points. It doesn't matter. You choose 2 points on each one of those tables. Choose 2 points. Substitute those values into this equation and find the slope. Okay? I'm more focused on the real world meaning for this. So with the real world meaning, you're going to write a complete sentence. But just to get you started, for the slope, the rise over the run, okay? That's going to be your calories burned, okay? Your calories burned per minute, okay? Per minute, okay? So your calories burned per minute, that's going to be your meaning of your slope. However, I want you to find the slope and I want you to write it using the number value with the calories burned per minute, okay? Your y-intercept, what is the meaning of it? Think about what this represents here. Think about what these order pair, and I'm writing it here because you're going to have to write that part in. Okay, so for the X, it's minutes. That's your minutes. Okay, and then for your Y, it's the calories you burned. Okay, so it's calories burned. So you're looking, so if it's the y-intercept, think about it. It's going to be 0 minutes. It's going to be 0 minutes. So in 0 minutes, how many calories did you burn? Okay. So what does that mean? Write a complete sentence. Okay. The such calories burned in 0 minutes. Or per 0 minutes. I just say 0 minutes. Okay, because it won't be per because it's not slope. The x-intercept used the same format. So find the x-intercept. So that means when you look for the x-intercept, that means when y is 0, what is the x-intercept? What is going on? Okay. So when I burn no calories, how many minutes does it take me to burn no calories? That's what you're putting. That's what you're doing. And I know I'm explaining more of it, so you need to really listen and pause the video. Here with Camille, let me set up here. The X is the minutes. A minute, and then miles. Okay, so it's the minutes and the miles. Okay, so the slope, it'll be miles per minute. Oops, I'm sort of giving out a lot of hint because the slope, remember, is the y over the x, so it's miles per minute for the slope. So here with the y-intercept, if I'm doing the y-intercept, this is the y-intercept, okay, because x is 0. So basically, in 0 minutes, I will go how many miles? Or the distance she is from home. I'm sorry, because it's talking about the distance she's from home. How far is Camille from home? So in 0 minutes, how far is she from home? 4 miles. So when Camille hasn't walked anywhere, however she getting there, she is 4 miles away from home. So Camille is 4 miles away from home in 0 minutes. Bam. Okay? Write it out. And then do the same thing for your x-intercept. Here's your x-intercept because the y is 0. Y is 0. So after 8 minutes, where's Camille at? Where's Camille at? After 8 minutes, where's she at? She's 0 distant from home, so where is she? Write the meaning for that x-intercept. Then here, you're doing the same thing. Remember remember this is your Y. This is your Y, that's your rise. Okay, here, this is your X. So when you're doing slope, remember, it's gonna be feet per second because it's the rise over the run, feet per second. Okay, so I need a complete sentence there explaining it. Here, this right here is your y-intercept. That's your y-intercept. It's 0, 20 feet. How many seconds? 0 seconds, 20 feet. Your x-intercept. Your x-intercept, it says 6 seconds, 0 feet. What does that mean? Look at the title of it. It's talking about an eagle. And it's then the same thing here with the gym membership. Same process. So use the information given to you to determine the meaning. I believe in you. Get this. Make it real. Write in complete sentence. Just write it the way you would write it in complete sentence using the information that was given to you and the definitions of slope, x-intercept, and y-intercept. Slope, it's going to be your y per x, okay? Remember that. Let me write that down for you. Slope, I'm going to write it over here. Slope is your y per x, or you could say your y per x, the same difference, okay? Remember that your x-intercept is you have a value for x, and most definitely 0 is your y all the time, okay? All the time. This one, it doesn't matter. This could be 0 also. This one, okay? This is just whatever the value is, any real number. Any real number. That's the x is any real number. The 0 has to be 0 all the time. Okay? The y-intercept, we have 0 all the time for the x value. All the time. I'm going to put the same. So that's all the time. And then here, your y value, it could be any real number. Okay. So your slope is y per x, your y over your x, your rise over your run. And then just rewind and listen to what I said, guys. Guys, I'm here for you. If you need me to make other videos for you, just for clarification, because all I was doing with this is try to just give you a little instruction. I wasn't trying to work it out for you now. I was just trying to get you started, get you warmed up some. I expect for you to do this. I remember, I love you. We are warrior. We are a family. We believe what? Red and gold all the way here, baby, at South GP 9th Grade Center with yours truly, Mrs. Z Magnet. Love you guys. Bye.